I made a full wine brand ad with one image with AgentOne inside Invideo, and I didn't touch a single editing tool. Here's the final ad. Breakdown how you can make this. Visit Invideo.io. In the main workspace, you will find Autopilot and Agent Mode. Click on Agent Mode. Below the description box, write the initial idea for your ad. If you have reference images, product images, or a project brief, upload them here by clicking the plus icon inside the description box. Once you finish this, click the arrow icon. It will take you to the project window. Here, create a project, give it a name, and click Create Project. On the next window, your description and references are locked. Now give your agent a name and choose a color. This is so you can assign tasks to different agents inside the same project. I am using only one agent here, but you can create multiple agents and give each one different tasks. Once that's done, click OK. Now our Invideo AgentOne setup is ready. From here, you just need to answer the questions AgentOne asks you. One satisfactory. You don't need to write prompts or spend time figuring out complex instructions. One setup is poundo. Just keep guiding it. I am adding very basic details here or important details for the ad I want. It keeps reviewing what you say and asks questions according to your project. On the right side, you will see two panels. One is context and the other is notebook. The generations appear inside notebook and your project DNA gets stored inside the context panel. I will do this part fast forward and show you the results. Here you can see the full conversation I had with AgentOne and the outputs I got with very minimal fixes. Once all your clips are ready, ask it to merge everything together if you do not want to use editing tools. It stitches all the clips together and builds one complete video. It also adds music, sound effects, and handles the full flow. Once everything is done, review the video and ask it to download. So this was the process to make ads with Invideo AgentOne. What I liked is that it feels more like working with someone instead of jumping between different AI tools. The process feels faster because you're guiding it as you go. You can build everything in one place, make changes while you're working, and keep refining without restarting things. It also keeps track of your project context, so the flow stays consistent while building. The guide is in the description or comment guide will send it in your DM.